Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a very popular color. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. We are pleased to show you the 2019 Civic Type R. Simply put, the Honda Civic Type R is a lot of fun. The performance, comfortable seating, and aggressive design will all leave you with a smile on your face, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, hands-free communication. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.